Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Math. In this video, I'll be going to discuss exercise 2.2 of chapter 2 linear equations in one variable. Okay, so let's begin the exercise. So, question number 1, I'll be first taking question number 1, which says that if a number is subtracted, if 1 by 2 is subtracted from a number and is multiplied by 1 by 2, the answer is 1 by 8. So if you look at the question, what does the question say? That if 1 by 2 is subtracted from 1 by 2 is subtracted from a number. So from wherever you find subtracted or divided, whenever you find these two words, okay, so from a number, from means that the number after from has to be taken first, like this. Now here we don't know what is the number, that only we have to find. Let's take the number as x. So x is subtracted from 1 by 2, x minus 1 by 2. So this much have you understood? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, so x minus 1 by 2. Now what does the next step say? That if it is multiplied by 1 by 2, now you focus on the point it is multiplied. You usually have make a mistake by directly multiplying it. But what is the meaning of this? First this is multiplied, then this, according to BODMAS rule. So using this BODMAS, now you can see you have to multiply, you have to do subtraction also and multiplication also. So which comes first? Multiplication, but you want subtraction first. So what you will do, you will take the advantage of B. B means brackets. So you will be putting brackets here. Now your equation is correct. Now which will you prefer first, multiplication or brackets? Brackets. Now whatever will be there in the brackets, it will be preferred first. X minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. And what does the answer says? 1 by 8. Now let's solve it. X, 2 LCM, 2x minus 1 equal to 1 by 8 into 2 by 1. Have you understood what I did? Transfer. Now you see, this is an individual term, this is an individual term. What does this sign have? This is a multiply sign. It goes RHS. So what does it form? It becomes divide. Now you can't directly divide any rational number by another. You have to take the reciprocal of the later number. So I have taken reciprocal 2 by 1 and I have multiplied it. Now let's simplify it. 1 by 4. This implies 2x minus 1 upon 2 equal to 1 by 4. Now again cross multiplication. So what you will do? This implies this side 2 equals to 4 multiplied by 2x. Take care, okay? Because now this is an individual term, this is an individual term. Okay, so I'm going at solving at the top. So now again you can see 4 is individual term, 2x minus 1, nothing is in multiply. Let's transpose this to the LHS. So 2 by 4 equal to 2x minus 1. This implies 1 by 2. Now this minus 4 goes to LHS, plus 1 equal to 2x. Now take the LCM. What is the answer? 3 by 2 equal to 2x. This implies x equal to what? X equal to what? Now don't do like this. Here nothing is 1. 3 1s are 3. 2 2s are 4. 4x. This implies x equal to 3 by 4. This is your final answer. Many times you have to do cross multiplication because you are in class 8. You have to do step by step. But as you proceed to further classes 9, 10th, 11, 12, you will be getting habit of this. You can directly jump from here to this step. Okay. When you will be getting expert in this. But since you are a beginner, you must have to follow step by step so as to understand the concept. So now let's cross check. 3 by 4. Now let's put a 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 equal to what? 1 by 4. I'm skipping the procedure just to cross check. Now 1 by 4 is multiplied by 1 by 2. What is the answer? 1 by 8. Yes, cross check. That means our answer is correct. So now let's proceed to question number 7, which says that there are 3 consecutive multiples of 8. Okay, and when they are added, their sum is equal to 8, 8, 8. Very pretty number. because multiple also 8, sum is also 8, 8, 8. Though it seems to be hard, but it is not hard. Okay, consecutive multiple. Now first focus on this word. Now I will be taking an example. 2, 4, 6, 10, 15, 20. Now what is the similarity between these two? You can see that these, if you recall the table of 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 2, 4, 2 threes are 6. Now focus on the top numbers 1, 2, 3. Are they consecutive? Consecutive means what? One after each other. Like 2 comes after 1, 3 comes after 2. Those is a continuous series. Or 2, 4, 6, 8. Whatever table you learned in previous classes in the primary, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. That is what consecutive number. How? Because they have a common difference between them. Common difference. And in further classes, 10th standard, you will be learning about arithmetic progression. It will be just what the consecutive multiple, in which you will be able to solve this type of question very easily. But since I'm not teaching you AP, so let's proceed. Let's come on back to this. Now you can see here also 5 difference, here also 5 difference. That means it is consecutive. So what is the question is asking? 3 consecutive multiples are added. Now let's take the basic numbers. That means these one as x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. There is also a shorter way. You can direct. Now you can see this is a middle number. This middle number. Here what is difference? 1, here also 1. So can we take like this? X plus 1, x minus 1. Now what is the change in between these two? You can see there are only consecutive, but if we prefer this type of method, you will be getting easier to solve problems. How? Because after when you solve, you will be eliminated. These two will be eliminated. So directly you can get the value of x. So whatever you prefer, either you prefer the first one or the second one, you will get the at last x value same, because we don't care of the value of x, we care of the numbers. Okay, so let's prefer the numbers x minus 1, x plus 1. I'll be showing how they eliminated. So what is multiples of 8? That means each one has to be multiplied by 8 and they are added. And what is the answer final? 8, 8, 8. Now, can you see a common that each number is multiplied by 8 and there is operation is plus. So we can take the common. Common is what? A number which is common with multiplied with all the operands. Operand means all the numbers which are added or subtracted or whatever it may be. So a common number has to be taken. Now let's take common. Now put on the rest numbers with their significant operation. X minus 1 same. Plus here brackets 1, we have to take the number x plus 1 equal to 8, 8, 8. Now notice that this is a one term and this whole is a one term and 8 is an individual term. Now let's solve it. Minus 1 plus 1 is what? 0. So let's cancel it out. So x plus x is what? 3x. Simple. Equal to 8, 8, 8 by 8. Understood what I did? I transferred this 8 to the RHS. Now let's divide. This implies 3x equal to 8 1 8 8 1 8 1 8 1 1 1. This implies x equal to 1 1 1 upon 3, that is equal to 37. So your answer, but don't leave the answer written, because you will be getting, if the question carries 4 marks, you will be getting only 2 marks. Rest 2 marks are gone. Basically the students make such type of mistakes, just find the value of x. But what actually the question is demanding? The question is demanding the multiples of 8. That means these numbers. Now 37. The middle number is 37. The previous number is what? 36. Simple. The next number is 38. Now simply multiply each one by 8 and that is your final answers. Okay. Now let's multiply 8 6 are 48. 4 carry. 8 3 are 24. 24 plus 4. 288. 288 plus 8 you can directly do. That is 296. 296 plus 8 is what? 304. So these 3 numbers are your final answer. Okay. How will be writing answer? The 3 multiples or the 3 consecutive multiples of 8 are dash 288, 296, 304. If you will add this, 8 plus 6, 10, 14. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. 1 carry. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 18, 18, 8. 1 carry. 3 plus 2, 6. 6 plus A 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8. So what is the final answer? 8 8 8. Hence it is cross check. Our answers are correct. So let's proceed on to question number 16, and make sure that you understood the previous problem. If not, then move your pointer to that point and then understand the concept repeatedly. If that also not so, comment in the comment box. Now let's proceed to question number 16, which says that in an essay competition, 100 each winner gets rupees 100, and each one who participates but has not won gets 25 rupees. Okay, now what is given? The total amount distributed is rupees 3000, and the number of participants means the one which have won plus number of which have not won, the total one is 63. In the basis of this given information, you have to find number of winners, how many have won. So how we are doing, let's take number of winners as x. Now what would I take for number of winners not won? Why? No, but the chapter is one variable. How to do? Now simple, this logic, that if there are 18 fruits in a basket, among that 8 are apples. So what will be the number of bananas? If there are bananas, what will the number of bananas? You will be directly subtracting this from this 10, or you will be taking that x, then 8 plus x equal to 18, and x is equal to 18 minus 8. So instead of, you will be directly doing this. So here also same logic, but with the algebra. Now what is the question asking? 100 rupees are given to each winner. So let's multiply this with the 100, and 25 rupees are given to every one who has not won. So you can see I have distributed, and what is the total amount given? 3000. Simple. Now let's solve the equation. Yes, we can use the concept of common. Now 125. If you multiply 4 with 25, you will be getting 100. Let's take out 25. So 25 means what? What number should be multiplied with 25 to get 104? So right here 4 and the whole bracket. There's nothing will directly connect. Plus sign. Now 25, that means 63 minus x equal to 3000. Now what we will be doing? 4x minus x is what? 3x. 3x plus 63 equal to 3000 upon 25. Transposing. Now here you can see, again you can take common, that is what? 3x plus 21. Repeated use of concept. Now if you divide 25 on the 25, and it's 50 means 2, and it's 0. Now 120 equal to 120. This implies x plus 21 equal to 120 upon 3. This implies x plus 21 equal to 40. This implies x is equal to 19. Final answer. Now how to cross check this? Number of winners. How many winners? 19. Now let's check. 19 into 100 is what? 1900. Now rest is what? 21. 19 and 63 minus 19. 63 minus 19 is what? 44. Yes, 44 into 25. Now let's calculate it. Now I'm taking a short trick. Whenever a number is multiplied with 25, okay, take the other number and divide it by 4. First, divide by 4 if it is divisible. Okay, if not divisible, then also you do the up to decimal, at least you can do. So 44 divided by 4, what is 11? Now directly multiply with 100, that is put 2 zeros. This is the final answer. Simple. Now 1100 plus 1900. Now 1100 plus 1900, 0, 0, 9 plus 1, 10. Oh, sorry. 0, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 was 3, 3000. Hence, answer is close. That means there are 19 winners. And how much have not won? 44. But the question is asking only the winners. So, 19 is your final answer. So, this was for the today's video. Exercise 2.2. The rest questions are similar. And the one which I have taught in the previous video, some exam application. That were the examples. Based on these 6 problems, you can solve the rest exercise. If stuck, please comment. Feel free to comment. If you like this video, like. share with your friends, subscribe my channel Easy Math, press the bell icon to receive videos regarding my uploads, and the comment. Thank you for watching.